First off, I'd like to thank all our countrymen for your prayers and your profound support to the former presidents. We can feel your love, we can feel your anger, we can empathize with everyone's rage about what happened, and let us not be let us not forget the real issues in our country, and that is the poverty, that is corruption, that is the failure of the government to answer the demands from the people about accountability and transparency, and the failure of the government to address peace and security in our country. So, because I wanted to give it airtime. I wanted to give the flowers airtime because I don't know who gave this, but the people who gave this made efforts to go to a flower shop and buy flowers. So I wanted to give it airtime. Just to say thank you to those who took time to buy flowers. They know I love flowers, so that's